Welcome to our tutorial on how to identify the need for staff augmentation. If your team is overwhelmed during project surges, additional staff can help manage the workload. Consider staff augmentation for skill gaps, as it provides temporary expertise without a long-term commitment. If hiring full-time employees isn't financially viable, temporary staff can be a cost-effective solution. For time-sensitive projects, additional manpower ensures you meet tight deadlines efficiently. Lastly, bringing in fresh perspectives or innovative approaches can stimulate creativity and growth. In summary, staff augmentation offers a flexible, cost-effective way to boost your team's capabilities and drive innovation. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.